Hey everyone, and welcome to your Purple Cow support system walkthrough, brought to you by Purple Cow Agency. Today, we're going to show you how to use the Purple Cow support system on the Purple Cow Agency website to log, monitor, and solve all your technical support requests. First, on the website, head to our support page by clicking Support in the top banner. Now, you will see our new intuitive ticket support system. First, confirm your email in the Requester text box. Then simply fill in the rest of the form on the page with a subject line and as much information about your issue as possible. Finally, attach any relevant information that might help us to understand your request. Once you're ready, just complete the CAPTCHA and click Submit. After a few seconds, you'll receive two emails, one acknowledging your support ticket and one prompting you to create an account. Just follow the steps to make sure you can view the live status of your ticket directly through your login on the Purple Cow Agency website. Using the Purple Cow support system will get you quicker responses, reduce the number of calls you need to make or messages you need to send, and of course allow you to keep on top of all of your requests in one easy place. And with that, we've reached the end of this tutorial. From everyone at Purple Cow Agency, thanks for watching this video.